Hey everybody, Sean Stoner V. Today I have a Rockwood. This is a 2020. This is an 8328. This is a bigger unit. Got 3 slides. It's got the pass-through storage. It's got a power tongue jack. This one here has self-leveling. There's your self-leveling panel. It's got the brand new solid steps. It's got a big outside kitchen. You got your fridge, 2-burner stove, sink, got some storage. This Rockwood here has the back rack, the hitch. Got a big back window, ladder, backup camera, prep. I'm around one side. It's got the new touch panel with the RIV technology. Everything on that panel works on a phone app. Come in, got the island. It's got a freestanding table, couch. There's your entertainment center with your TV, fireplace, storage. Fridge, there's your kitchen. It's also got this big countertop here. Make your way to the front. Got your bathroom, 2 accesses into your bedroom, big standing shower. Walk in, you've got your bedroom slide. Tons of storage in your bedroom here. Big closet. Your wardrobe, TV in your bedroom. If you have any questions or you want to come take a look, give me a call, 780-779-3102.